Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 27, 2025, Friday Racing. Meron po tayong 9 races sa araw ng Biyernes. Starting time ng karera, alas 5 ng hapon, 5 p.m. June 25, Miyerkules, wala po tayong karera. No racing. Ayon po sa impormasyon, ay ayusin ang pista. Magkakaroon po ng repair ang racetrack para iwas aksidente. Sa araw ng Biyernes, yung race 1, 3, at 4, 1,400 meter distance. Samantalang yung race 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, at 9 ay 1,200 meter run. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Number 1, isang 3-year-old and above maiden race, Placer. Meron po itong Pentapecta at Super 6 full gate, 14 na kalahok. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 13, Brig Leftover. Second choice, number 4, si Pokot Boy. Third choice, number 12, Make No Mistakes. Tayo ngayon sa race number 2. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Double Happiness. Second choice, number 4, High Quality. Third choice, number 8, Ligiron. Yung pong race 1 ay starting ng winner take all, race 1 to 7. Ito namang race 2 ay pick 5, races 2 to 6. Dumako na tayo ngayon sa race number 3. Race 3, isang 3-year-old and above non-placer. First and only choice, number 6, Giselle's Touch. Race 4. First choice, number 6, Title Holder. Second choice, number 8, M, Butterfly. Race 5. First choice natin, number 8, Celebrity. Second choice, number 2, Lady of Peace. Race 6. First and only choice, number 7, Diamond Heart. Tumako tayo ngayon sa race 7. First choice, number 1, My Boy Lollipop. At second choice, number 3, Kugma. Race 8. Race na may Pentapecta. First choice, number 7, Put Loose. Second choice, number 2, G-Song. Last race, race 9. First choice, number 7, Rapis Point. Second choice, number 1, G-Scolt. Third choice, number 2, Street Queen. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!